If you're a book reader, you can put nice lounge suite or armchairs to sit, relax, and wait for someone to serve the dinner for you. And that almost concludes the ground floor section. Later on, we're going to have a look at also the back garden, because this house not only has a front garden, it also has a back garden with a big boma area. But right now, let's head up and see the third floor, should I say, where we're going to see 5 more bedrooms. Okay, so we're walking back through that cocktail lounge area space, and while we're on the way to the upper floor, the guest toilet is tucked away, nice and private. And I love the fact that they've chosen this very dramatic charcoal color for the toilet. Of course, all your greenery and the mirror can stand out very nicely. And the staircase that you see is the staircase that leads from the garages that you can drive straight into if you live in the space. So now we're heading back into the entrance hall, and we're going to head up towards the upper section. Nice and wide staircase, glass balustrades with the black steel finish, all tying in with the rest of the window frames and the rest of the space. And as we go up, you can now see those beautiful chandeliers even better. And what's really great here is that even the corridors and everything has a lot of volume. So they're very wide. You just feel at home everywhere, and you feel you can even put furniture into those spaces. The first bedroom we're stepping into as we come up the landing is bedroom number 1 upstairs, so the second one we're seeing. And you can see king size bed, a ton of cupboard space, built-in air conditioning throughout, and sliding doors into the balcony.